I'm going to show you the installation now of the PMX901 retrofit kit onto a PM style vacuum regulator. You will need some tools for this. I have everything on here hand tight just for demonstration. I'm going to remove the DISS male off the bottom of this vacuum regulator. I'm then going to take our kit, which is our adapter plate that's going to go up to the regulator that will hold the PMX trap. So within this, we have a metal O-ring, we have the adapter, and then we have this plate. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the O-ring first onto the adapter. And then this has two sides. The plate has two sides. It's important that the smooth side goes to the front. There is a correct way and an incorrect way to put it. So the smooth side goes towards the front of the vacuum regulator. So I find it easy that if you just put this in and then line this up with the vacuum regulator, again, smooth side forward. We'll twist this on hand tight. And then what we'll do is we'll use a 1/4 inch Allen wrench to tighten this up to make it tight. And then that way you can see that when we put our trap on, we put our trap on it there, and you can hear the positive click when the trap clicks into the adapter on the vacuum regulator. To disengage, you just push the little tab, turn it 90 degrees at 12 and 6, and remove it.